What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is part 2 of the custom center console for the D100 project. Let's roll that intro and let's get to it. Alright, so part 2 of this custom center console is going to build a storage box armrest for the rear portion of the center console. So the first thing we gotta do is build the box, and I'm going to do that with some 1/4" MDF that I'm going to just use some CA glue, and then I will eventually, once I get done with the box structure and everything's CA glued together and I have a completed box shape thing, then I will tack it together and we'll go on from there. Let's build the box. Alright, so here's the basic structure of the armrest portion, back portion of the center console. Next I'm going to work on the top and then try to figure out if I want to do vinyl on the outside or if I want to do sheet metal. I'm thinking I'm probably going to go with the vinyl. Let's continue on. Alright, so now that I got the main structure put together and vinyl wrapped, I've got something I've been wanting to kind of was kicking around an idea of what I wanted to do for the front piece here. So I decided I'm going to do the Mopar logo embossed on some steel and then patina that. And that's going to go somehow. I haven't worked out all the details yet, but that's going to go there. So let's get the logo embossed on the steel. And the way that I'm going to do that, so I made the form. That's actually going to go behind the steel. And then I'm going to a wood back and then a piece of wood for the front with the center cut out. I'm going to clamp all that together, and then I'm going to be able to use a body hammer or something to get the steel bent into that form. So we'll see how it turns out. Give it a try. All right, so it's been a few days since I got the basic shape worked out for the mopar emblem for the front part of the armrest section of the center console. So I got that done. It's been, like I said, it's been a few days. I've been waiting on a tool to get here. So what I've been waiting on is a set of these, I guess they're like metal smoothing, planishing bits, I guess, for an air hammer. So I've been waiting for those to get here. They just got here yesterday. So my goal is now to take in a body dolly. Let's see if I can get this in here. So I got this body dolly in the vise, and just a little vise clamped to my desk or clamped to my workbench. Unfortunately, I don't have a real vise set up yet. It's waiting. I'm trying to come up with a mount for that. But what I did was I clamped the body dolly into the vise, and then I'm going to take my panel, set it on the body dolly, and I'm going to take. I have my compressor set to like 30 psi. I have it set real low. I just have a low power, cheap, big box store brand air hammer. And I'm going to run that over the surface on top of the body dolly and smooth out some of these tooling marks. I mean, I realize I'm not going to get them all out just because I'm going to do the best I can, but I probably won't get them all smoothed out, but I kind of don't want to. I like that, worked metal look to go with the rest of the kind of industrial or like rustic type look to the rest of the center console. So I'm just going to work this for a while, see if I can get this smoothed out a little bit. I did split. I don't know if you can see that there. I did split the metal at one point while working it, and I'll just take the welder to that and patch that up. But so I'm going to work this on the dolly, and we'll see what we get. So after getting some of the planishing done to smooth out the tooling marks on that Mopar emblem, I decided to start working on fitting the panel to the front of the box. Unfortunately, for some reason, my phone didn't record again. I think I just have fat fingers, missed the button. I don't know. But here's what I've come up with so far. As you can see, I've got the edges all bent. I mean, there's still a lot of trimming needs to be done. I want to knock off some of these sharp corners, but let me, I'll show you what it's going to look like mounted to the box. There you go. So All that's left to do, like I said, is trim down some of these sharp corners, finish some final fitment issues, trimming down some of the long sides like on the bottom here, which is the bottom. So, but I'm still going to knock the edges down, grind down the sharp edges a little bit, smooth them out, add the patina, and then rivet it on and attach it. So next step, I guess, is to spend some time cleaning up the edges and add the patina. See how it looks after that. All right, so there it is. There's the mostly completed armrest storage section of the center console. I still have to do like rivets on the side here to hold the front piece on, and I still got to drill the mounting hole that goes into the center console through the side to hold the box onto the back. I may add some other mounting brackets on the bottom part of the center console just to mount this to, but let's throw it in the truck and see how it looks. All right, so there it is, part 2 of the custom center console mounted. Well, in place. It's not mounted yet. I still gotta drill the mounting holes. There you can also see that I finished, or mostly finished, the tray that goes in the front there. So there's that. I still gotta rivet that in place. So I gotta drill all the holes for the rivets and get those installed. But yeah, that's pretty much done. But there's the piece I was working on today, or past few days actually, what with the holidays and everything. But let's go on to the other side and we'll see how it looks. I'll see if I can get a better view. All right, so here it is from the driver's side. Like I said, I still got to drill. There's a mounting hole down in here that will drill into that MDF structure that's holding the whole center console in place. But yeah, and I still got to line the inside with. Damn. So I got to take the armrests off these seats in order to get this to really fit. But inside, I still got to line the inside with like automotive carpeting or something like that on the inside instead of just having bare wood in there. But I've got 3 magnets inside the lid here that actually hold it down to the metal of this piece rather than having a latch. So there it is. So part 3 will be completing this front piece here that goes up to the dash, and it covers up the transmission access panel there. It's just going to pull the center console up to the dash and make it one unit pretty much. So there it is. All right, everyone. So part 2 is done. Keep watching. We'll get part 3 done here as soon as possible, hopefully. I also got some other things going on that will be described a little bit later in some later videos. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button below. Mention in the comments what you all think about this. If there's anything you guys think that I maybe should have done different, could have done better, whatever, let me know. I'm always up for talking about things and learning. And that's what this whole channel is about. It's about learning, getting out there, trying stuff, see how it goes. All right, thanks for watching. Again, hit the subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when new videos get uploaded. I'll see you next time.